WHCX Indianapolis. It's the Fan Morning Show. He goes for the pilot. Touchdown! Touchdown! I-N-D-Y! Simon Pageant wins the 103rd running of the Indianapolis 500-mile race with Jeff and Big Joe.
No, not a little bit, a lot.
And then it turns out the FBI investigates last night and says it was not, in fact, a noose that was in Bubba Wallace's garage. It had been there since, well, they still called it a noose, even though it's really a knot. That had been there since last October. And so they said there's not a hate crime there. And so now everybody wants to blame Bubba Wallace, or they want to blame NASCAR, or they want to blame whatever. Now the matter is FBI said it was investigated. They were alerted to it by NASCAR, who was alerted to it by a crew member. Bubba Wallace never at any point in time saw it. FBI said, no, that's a knot, that's a door handle that's been in that particular garage, and there's photo evidence of that being there since last October. And now everybody who wants to make this a political thing is losing their minds on both sides, saying, see, we told you so, and fake news and all this other stuff. And my whole thought about that, Joe, before we get on to the Paul George stuff, was we should all be glad that it wasn't a news, and that we can all move back to normal life. And that I still think it was cool that NASCAR rallied around Bubba Wallace, and they said that we're a family and we stick together and we move forward. And I'm glad that nobody had a disgusting hate crime take place there. Other than that, people are going to make out of it what they want to make out of it. But I'm glad that the FBI investigated.
It wasn't fake news. They said, hey, we found the news. We're calling the FBI. The news said, hey, they found the news. They called the FBI.
Sunny, that's political in this day and age.
Oh, absolutely. No, the only thing about this that I was still have questions about is NASCAR saw what they were talking about, and NASCAR still came forward. So to me, it would seem this is a track they go to every year. This is a place that they're used to every year.
It's on NASCAR.
The garages are the same pretty much everywhere you go, and we all know the report people are talking about, but for NASCAR to say, to go to the lengths and the extent that they did